Good morning.
Morning.
Happy birthday.
Can't wait to go away for my birthday weekend.
That's right guys, we're heading down to the bottom end. So it's about a couple hours drive from our home.
We're going to stay at Bayside Glamping. Dill surprised me on my birthday where we're going to go. And I can't wait because I've got a new little tiny home that we're going to stay in. So it's going to be really cool.
So we're going to road trip it down, stop at a few beaches on the way and check out the weather.
It's actually so nice.
There's actually rain forecast for the Savo, but let's just enjoy this while we can. Let's go. So guys, hope you enjoyed that little snippet of our little weekend getaway. It was such a nice weekend and it's so good to find some places close to home like that. So today I had planned to get up on the roof. I've gone down and got some sheet metal and that's going to patch up the top of the roof, and then I was hoping to seal that up ready to paint. I have been out here doing a little bit of a prep work, just rubbing it back. Really slow, crappy process. Anyway, I'm going to jump up and I'm going to show you guys what I'm dealing with. I'm going to do it quick because there's a couple of drops of rain. Alright, let's go. So as you can see, the old hatches here, I've just got some MDF board which is totally had it from all the weather. So I'm going to replace that with the sheeting. And then there's obviously going to be a lot of prepping for the paint, and I've went down to the hardware store and I've bought some paintable sealant, which I'm just going to paint over these joins here. Hopefully seal that up and then ready for paint. You can see over there kind of started a little bit, but yeah, like I said, really slow process. Alright guys, the weather's looking awesome today. It's about time for me to get some progress happening on this caravan. I know you're not watching this just to hear me talk, so let's get it. So guys, I'm gonna have to cut the vlog short. I really wanted to get this paint reveal done, but something's got in the way, and find out what that is in the next vlog. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and tune in for a very special vlog next time.
Come on, push for us. Come on, you're about to have your baby.